Hello everyone, good morning. So, today we are going to start with a new lesson in our supplementary reader. So, before we start the lesson, I want everyone to take out your supplementary reader. So, you can see here. Okay, this is the book that you have to open. A Pact with the Sun, that is a supplementary reader. So, we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 7, the wonder called sleep. Now in this lesson we are not going to see any story, or even it's not a poem. Here we are going to know or learn many things about sleep that we never thought of or never tried to uh, search about it or research about it. So in this lesson we are going to completely have a knowledge about sleep, what is sleep, how do we get sleep, and what are the things that happen to our body while we are sleeping. So let's get started quickly. Here you can see there are few points written before we start the lesson. Let's read them quickly. Number 1. Our body and brain recover from fatigue after a good sleep. Now, what does this point means? It means that our body and brain recovers from fatigue. Now, what is fatigue? The tired or stress that our body faces the whole day. Means we all work throughout the day, we all go out, we play, we do homework, we go to school, we come back to our houses. Then at night when we sleep, our body gets complete rest, so it recovers from the tiredness or the stress that we have faced throughout the day. Number 2, we dream while sleeping, but we do not always remember our dreams. Yes, it happens to us sometimes, right? That while we are sleeping, we get dreams. But it is not possible that every time we remember our dreams, but yes, sometimes we do remember. Number 3, during sleep, our heartbeat comes slower. Why slower? Because we don't do any sort of work. Our body is completely at rest, and our temperature and blood pressure goes down. Why our blood pressure goes down? Because our heart beats slower. So this is why our blood pressure also goes down, and our body is in a complete mode of rest where we feel relaxed, and even our muscles, bones, after a tired day, they get relaxed when we sleep. So now we are going to start the lesson. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. Now here the writer is saying we all know what is sleep, right? We sleep daily, but we don't know that how do we get a sleep, or why do we get the sleep. Now, sleep is a state of rest and unconscious rest. Why unconscious rest? Because while we are sleeping, we are not able to see our environment, right? And unconscious means the state where we are not conscious or not knowing the things that is happening around us. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by the daily activities. Now, as we saw in the first point, right, that while we sleep, our body, it recovers from the stress or tiredness that is caused by our everyday activities. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again. Now after sleeping we feel refreshed, right? Yes, of course we feel. We get a new energy to start our day, to work again. So after a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. Now just imagine that if we don't sleep for only one night, let's take an example of one night, that if we are not sleeping for a whole night, the next morning we feel tired, right? We don't feel like freshed up, or we are not in a mood of working again. But in comparison, if we are having a good sleep at night, Next morning will be full of energy and will be alert, ready to do anything, and back to our normal life. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep. Okay, when we get up next morning, every time it's not necessary that we remember that what happened while we were sleeping. We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seemed to have taken place. Now, sometimes it happens that we might have seen a dream while we were sleeping, but except that part, the other part of our sleep was only a type of darkness where we saw nothing. Several things happen to our body while we are sleeping. Now, coming to our body, that what happens to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, our muscles relax more and more. Now, as we are um, moving on deeper into the sleep means, just take an example that when we are going to bed, like for example 8 o'clock we lie down, we just feel little relaxed, right? But at 12 o'clock, when our sleep is much deeper, when we are not aware of the things that are happening in our environment, that time our muscles become relaxed, our heartbeat becomes slower. Now our heartbeat is also going to be slow. Why? Because we are not doing any work and our full body is in the mode of relaxation. Our temperature and blood pressures go down. The ever active brain also slows down so that we can't think or act consciously, but we dream. Now what happens? See, many things happens to our body while we are sleeping. First is our muscles relax. Second is our heartbeat becomes slow. Third, our temperature and blood pressure goes down. The ever active brain. Now, our brain also acts slowly. That is why, while we are sleeping, we do not act too much, right? When we hear a very loud noise or something that is very much disturbing, only that is the time when we react or we get up. Other than that, we don't respond easily, right? अगर हमें मच्छर भी काट जाता है तो भी हम उठते नहीं हैं. Just we take turn or we take a blanket on us. So our brain is also slow during the sleep. But the thing that happens is we dream. हम सपने देखते हैं. Okay, when we wake up, our temperature and blood pressure rise to normal. Now, next morning when we wake up, our heartbeat, our body temperature and blood pressure, they come back to the normal position. Our heartbeat and breathing also become normal and we are fully awake and have forgotten most, if not all, the dreams that we had while sleeping. Now, the next morning when we get up, our body temperature is normal, our heartbeat and breathing is also normal, and almost we forget all the things that we have seen while we were sleeping. Now, a dream is an activity of the mind when we are asleep. Now, when a dream comes to our mind when we are sleeping. Dreams help us sleep through noise and other disturbances. Now, dreams also help us to sleep better while there are many things going around in our environment. Suppose कि हमारे environment में बहुत सारे actions हो रहे हैं, but फिर भी if we are seeing a dream, हमें पता नहीं चलता कि हमारे environment में क्या हो रहा है, because we are already dreaming there, right? So our environment doesn't disturbs us. Dreams may reveal something about one's problem, but they cannot tell the future. Okay. ऑलमोस्ट ड्रीम्स में हम क्या देखते हैं, जो हम पूरा दिन सोचते रहते हैं या फिर पूरा दिन करते हैं, तो इसीलिए ड्रीम हमें किसी का प्रॉब्लम बता सकते हैं, बट वो हमें कभी भी फ्यूचर नहीं बताते. नाउ ओके, सो फॉर टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टॉप हियर, and The next part of the lesson we'll be seeing in our next class. So hope you all will read this lesson once again and be ready for the next class. Okay then, bye everyone.